Hello guys, today I will show you how to reset your projector. This is hy300 model projector, how to reset and solve your many other problems. You should take your remote. I am using my remote for resetting. At first you go to your settings option. You look here, this is setting option, and press OK by remote. OK, then I tracked down, and last option is device performance. Now press OK. There is about option above, click OK, and second number option is factory reset. Click here, and second number option is factory reset, and first number option is cancel. You should be OK factory reset. I click OK on factory reset. Now second option is erase everything, and first option is cancel. You should select second option and erase everything and press OK. I press OK. Now my projector is resetting, it's working, and it is looking how to start and erasing everything. My projector resetting. There are take some time to reset and properly on. So give some time and reset your projector and solve everything. After resetted my projector, skin shape is trapezium shape. How to solve it? You at first you take some action. You can try to solve it. Position change. Try to position change and try to solve. Look at here. I give some time for rest after resetting, and then I change the position and solves this problem. Look here, the problem is solved. Keystone is working. After reset your projector, shape is not rectangle, then you use this trick. You should take some time for rest your projector, and then you change the position screen. Look like here. Then after some time your projector would be problem solved. If this video helpful for you, you should subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.